how to add and create new agency account on Upwork PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. First thing, log into your account and then go here, click on your profile, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just scroll down like this until you find agency account. Click on new agency account, add the name of the agency and then click continue. And now as you can see, you can continue with the free one or the plus one. And yeah, click continue with basic, wait a few seconds and everything is gonna be done for you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.